Which is alright with me.
You're pretty much done anyways, right?
Yeah.
Drop these arms to the floor. There you go. Deep breath in. Exhale. Deep breath in. Hold it. Breath in. Hold your breath. Let this shoulder drop to the floor. Exhale all the way out. You're moving a lot better.
Yeah.
Slide down. More that right side that's getting you, right?
It was the left side, but this was a lot better than the first one.
Right there. And then over that next week or so, it starts to settle out. So this one, I'm going to do a quick pull. It's going to traction, okay? So I'm going to have my other hand right here. So deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Let that head drop into my hand. Give yourself a big hug. Exhale all the way out. Let that shoulder drop. Yeah, because you can actually see how much better that's all moving now.
Yeah.
We're getting there. Oh, yeah. Let that shoulder drop.